Hey guys, I'm Faye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Faye. I just said it and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys had a lovely week. I hope you are having an amazing day. So this will be the makeup look I'll be doing for today. I wanted to do something simple and sort of like a smoky liner. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. And if you do, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. I really appreciate all of you. And for my old subscribers, thank you for joining me yet again. So today's video is going to be quite a long one because yeah, most of the time I just sit down and do my makeup, and today I felt like, giving you guys my opinion on friendships. And yeah, if you agree with me, you can tell me in the comments, or if you disagree with me, you can just tell me what your opinion is, because we're all entitled to our own opinions. And just a quick disclaimer in case I did not mention it before, whatever it is that I'm going to say is going to be my opinion. So yeah, please do not take offense. I am not trying to force my views on you. I'm just saying what I think. Yeah, and as I said, if you disagree with me, you can just comment and tell me why you disagree and, tell me what you think. Because I want to see people's perspective, like your different views. Yeah. Oh, and follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We're both at Phaye Mailu. The people on TikTok usually get to see the makeup looks before you guys. So, yeah, follow me on TikTok. If you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, just keep on watching. And with that being said, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm going to start with my brows. And I'm just taking my spoolie and brushing up my brows just to set them in place. And to fill in my eyebrows, I'm using the Davis pencil in the shade 040. And to clean up my eyebrows, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 040. Now I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I'm using the concealer I had used to clean up my eyebrows as my eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I'm going to do this eye off camera and then I'll come back and we'll do this eye together. So I'm using a concealer to prime my eyelids. So, and the first eyeshadow shade that I used was the color Magical Point, which is this deep dark brown. And I just used that to trace out the shape that I'm going for. So I'm going to take the shade Midnight, which is this black. So to just blend that out, I am taking the shade Ball, which is this one right here, and I'm just using that to blend out everything. Okay, I think my eyeshadow is done, so I'm just going to put on some eyeliner and lashes, and then I'll be back to do my foundation and all that stuff. Okay, so clearly I have a pimple over here, so let's just ignore that. I've put on lashes and I've smoked out my lower lash line a bit, and I'm going to try out the trend that has been going around where you put some lipstick and you just do that before you go into contour. So I'm starting out with a red lipstick. Yeah, I hope this turns out nice. Let's just put that on my cheeks, my nose, yeah, where I usually put blush. So like here, so like there, yeah, and my nose. Oof. I hope this is going to blend out nicely. It's so bright. And I'm going to use my finger to just blend it out. Good. And my nose. I'm taking the concealer I used to contour, and I'm using the Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. And to blend that out, I am going to use this brush. So, yesterday I was watching some YouTube video and it was about friendships and asking like if men and women can just be friends and if it can be like platonic. They were saying that like if you and your friend, they could be your best friend or just someone you really trust and really think that you're friends. If you can sit down and picture you guys drinking and having a good time, like maybe at his place or at your place, and I'm talking about like male and female in this context, and then you lean in to kiss that person. Like if you don't see your friend stopping you and being like, yo, we are friends, like if you can picture your friend just, you know, going with the flow, then they were saying that's not true friendship. Don't come for me. That's what that video was saying. And I agree. If you disagree, you can just tell me that you disagree. But that's what I think true friendship is. Like, you cannot be seated here and at the back of your mind, you're thinking, you know, if like my friend gets the opportunity, atapita na mimi. Like, no. Here, mnadanganyana too. Like, you know your friend has ulterior motives. So yes, as I've said, like if you sit down and think about such a situation with your friend, na unaona that yeah atapita tu na wewe, yeah, I hate to break it to you, but I don't think that's like a true friend. Yeah, that person just wants to hate. You know, the funny thing is, a lot of people think that's what friendship is all about. Like, you can't have a friend who doesn't want you. Like, who would, like, say no at you making advances at them. And this goes for, you know, both. If you're a guy and you make a move on your friend and she doesn't stop you, yes, that's not true friendship. So I'm going to ask you guys, like, if you think that what that woman was saying in that video is true, you know, yeah, comment and tell me that you agree. And if you disagree and you think, you know what, that's not true, I think that you can still be friends with someone who low-key wants to smash, and if they get a chance to make a move on you, they will. I would want to hear your opinions because I have very strong opinions. So now I'm going to conceal, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So I'm just going to set my face and then put on some highlight, and the setting powder I'm using is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So I start with setting underneath my eye just so that my concealer doesn't crease up. So I want to wing out my inner corner, so let me just do that before I put on highlight. Okay, so now I'm just going to put on some highlight. So now for my lips, I'm going to use the Maroon lip liner by Davis. Okay, so let me just put on some gloss. So this is the finished look for today's tutorial. To all my new subscribers, welcome. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload. Yeah, and also remember to comment and tell me your opinion on friendships. So also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. They're both at Phaye Mailu. So thank you guys for watching, and since you're already here, you can watch these 2 videos. Okay, till next time, bye guys.